Welcome to Sir Banks Gold Channel. I'm right now at this tomb cemetery in Lea, Texas. It's founded in 1880. This is very amazing tombstones. Through some incredible ones. This was Henry Smith, born in August 1848 and died in February 27, 1946. This is a very older one. I believe this person was born in 1875 and died in 1955. Incredible. So some of these tombstones were been around since the 1800s. I believe there's a boy one. He died very young. Unfortunately, these videos found in a very early era, and so there are some tombstones that look like they've been vandalized. It's very breaks my heart when tombstones are breaking. I mean, this one is like destroyed. I think it. This first one is born 1808. Look at the tombstone all messed up. This person was born 1856, died 1908. And this person, his tomb is all like down. And this person was there's some incredible tombs. So I believe in honoring the dead and honoring the people that came before us, to give it a proper respectfulness, to help this place be very capable and make it very presentable. I'm asking for people to make it very respectful for the people from the dead and help them to see the future, present their story.